I'm Dave English, Director of Sales at General Air Products. Here today to talk to you about two very important product updates to the General Air Products line. As you know, all of our air compressors currently ship with a 30-inch flex hose. Starting immediately, the flex hose will also include a half-inch union. The next product that you wanted to see changes on was our AMD. So starting immediately, instead of having 3/4 inch connections, we now have half-inch connections. Also, we were able to orient the pressure regulator to make it much easier access for you to do your adjustments out in the field. As far as the packaging goes, we've tried to make this as easy as we can. So what we've done is we've put a sticker on all the boxes that are now half-inch. This would be for our distributors to make sure that they're moving their stock correctly in order not to have a 3/4 inch and a half-inch AMD going out to the same job. The product also has UL listing and FM approvals. So we want to thank you for your support of General Air Products, and as always, we do take your comments very seriously, so keep them coming. We'll keep making the changes as you guys see fit. Thanks again. Mother. That's not the way I want to say it. I got to go through this like 10 times in my head. You can edit that out. I hate saying or you're gonna kill me, dude. Can I get any more redundant? I mumbled that a little bit. I know what wants to come out of my mouth, and it just won't. Scotchy, scotchy, scotch. All right, I gotta concentrate here.